What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day today. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a step-by-step guide on how to improve your accuracy and your aim overall. So without any further talking, let's get right into it. So the first step is not even in the game. It's actually in your software on your mouse, which for me, I have Razer right now. So I download it, you download whatever you need, and you go over to your mouse performance and or whatever it says in that software, and you find your DPI. So the DPI that I found works best for me is 950, and obviously the standard was 800, so this is why you need the software to give you more accurate DPI settings so that you can mess with it more. But the reason DPI is one of the most important things in accuracy is DPI won't only affect your sensitivity, it'll also affect your mouse acceleration, and also that'll affect your recoil control, and overall will just mess with you a lot more than in-game sensitivity. But mess with that a little bit more, find what you find best for your cursor being able to move a decent amount, and also because in Apex obviously you have to shield swap, so you want to have your mouse cursor be able to move decently quickly. But you guys do whatever you need. 950 works for me. But with that being said, let's move on to the next step. So the next step is your in-game sensitivity. So mine is 2.9 for mouse sensitivity, and your ADS mouse sensitivity multiplier, mine is 0.5. Like I said, mess with this however you please. This is what I found works best for me. But go into firing range, find your correct DPI, find your right sensitivity. I do recommend a DPI below 1000. That's what I found works best for a bunch of pros and for a bunch of people that I know of. So yeah, DPI below 1000, like I said, that's the most important, and then your in-game sensitivity. But let's move on to the next step, and that is learning all the gun's recoil patterns. You can just go over to any wall. I'm gonna just choose this wall and just go, let's just let the gun go. So as you can see, it kind of just goes straight up. There is obviously a few curves, but if you just pull down, you'll avoid that. And then it kind of makes a hook going right and then left. So to control that, you would just go straight down and pull to the right. And obviously you want it to be, the bullets to be as close as possible. So just keep practicing that. But also, the reason I said learn every recoil pattern is because every gun has a different recoil pattern. Like for example, the R9 definitely has more recoil, and it kind of just goes straight up, goes to the right a little bit, left, and then a little bit right at the top. So what you would do is just basically pull straight down. And as you can see, it makes kind of like a circle, almost. But like I said, you want the bullets to be as close as possible, so choose whatever guns you use most. It is good to learn all the recoil patterns. But I just wanted to use the R301 and the R9 as an example. Those are the guns that I use most. So with that being said, yeah, learn all the recoil patterns, DPI, sensitivity in-game, all those aspects matter in accuracy, because if you have perfect DPI and really good in-game mouse sensitivity but no recoil control, you would just draw an outline of the person and hit like 2 shots, so you just go, it wouldn't make sense. You want to just be able to kill the person, one clip, just, you know. With that being said, that's all I have for you in-game, but there is one more thing that I want to show you, and it is something that really helped me when I first started playing on PC, because I only started just a year ago. So it is free on Steam. It is called Aim Lab. If you guys don't know about it, it is a great software that is always being updated. As you can see, this update just started today. This today, I didn't have an update last night or yesterday, but it is constantly being updated. You can go into the settings of it, choose the style of having Apex, and or whatever game you want to improve your accuracy on. Copy the same sensitivity you have in the game, keep your DPI the same, and just go from there. Keep practicing. They have a bunch of different softwares like flicking, tracking, stuff like that, and it really helped me when I first started playing PC, so I really hope it helps you. But with that being said, that's all I have for you guys, so I do hope you guys have a great day, and I hope this helped you, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good night, guys.